How to buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet, open up the TrustWallet app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then you will find the buy option right over here. Simply go to the buy option there. Since you're trying to buy Bitcoin, you can select or search for BTC. Now enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin for 1500 US dollars. You can see I will get it in 0.022719 BTC, and the number could be fluctuating. From the bottom you can select if you want to pay with a credit card or if you want to pay with other options like your Google Pay and bank transfer. Then once you've done that, you can just tap on the buy with credit card option. Then simply make sure to enter your credit card details depending upon which provider that they're using as well. But to give you an idea, this is how you can buy Bitcoin on TrustWallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.